How to find edX promo code. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the edX promo code. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides best deals on edX. Once you find the website, click on the URL to open it. Now here you can get 75% discount using edX coupon code. So scroll down to find the coupon code and tap on that to get code. A new pop-up will appear on the screen with discount code. Tap on copy coupon and then tap on apply coupon to open edX website or open mobile app for course enrollment. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have already, and when you are going to purchase a plan or program, apply the copied promo code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find edX promo code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.